Hey guys. Alright, so I just got back, I ended up knocking at this guy's door, and I found this machine. I thought to myself, okay, let's see. Anyways, it was underneath a wheelbarrow, so it hasn't really seen much. The owner said it hasn't ran in 3 years, and he gave it to me for free. So this is a freebie project that's going to be a series. I'm going to take out the foam inserts there. There's some tape holding that together. I'm going to try and fix all that fun stuff right up there. I have no idea what kind of engine's on there. Judging by the coil, that's the pull start right there. Judging that, it's not going to be like my flat top Briggs where you pull up, but it's going to be pulling back. So it's going to be a machine that's going to have something on top. The telltale sign for being the era is that down there. You would put your you just put your water right in there. All this thing is running. Just spray it right in there, nonchalant. Sorry if I sound a little bit different, is because I've been walking because my insurance has expired on my truck. So I'm gonna end up pulling this out. I got some snippers. I'm going to cut the rope on the back, and I'm gonna remove the bungee, and we'll see what's going on there. Give me a hot second, because I'm gonna need 2 hands for this one. Nice. Okay, so this looks like a 3.5 Briggs 21-inch mastercraft from Canadian Tire, 1990s, about flathead Briggs engine. The engine style looks like 3.5, which is, I have a shitload of parts for. Gas tank's different, and the air setup's a bit different. It's got a float ball, so we might have to pump the ball. Does it have an oil in it? Let's see. Sorry, no oil. She's black as coal, but it's in there. Alright. Fuel, so hopefully it's bone dry. She's bone dry, so that's nice to see. Okay. I have a lock. I'm gonna set you on my site. Hopefully it'll sit on you. Then I'm gonna check its compression. See if it's got compression. I might as well remove the plug wire too, just in case. That. See how's compression. Ooh, she's tight, but she's got compression. Nice. Yeah, she's got compression. That's nice to see. The speed is, the speedometer thingamabobber is broken, but I might be able to fix something like that. It's got compression. Doesn't sound like it has much. I'll have to pop that part off down there and clean it up. The engine is a early magnetron, so it shouldn't have a points condenser. I can probably go take the filter off. Actually, wait. Let's see if we can get an engine number on this. I got a model. This is looks like a 77515 serial number 248015 for the body. May actually not be 1990s, but 1980s. Let me see if I can find the actual block part of it, where it has like the engine date, because then I can get a feel. Looks like it's got a fuel shut off, and there's been no fuel to it. Looks like the fuel shut off looks kind of hooped. I don't know if that will have any effect. It looks kind of screwy. You think there would be some sort of thing on there? I don't know if it's... Alright, I'm gonna have to look on more of this off camera. Alright. See you in a bit. See you in part 2.